Hi there, I'm Samson. I am a dedicated photographer, a graphic designer, and a well-trained career peer coach in the University of Cape Coast Systems Change program. From my experience as a graphic designer, a photographer, and a highly trained career peer coach has helped me gain a lot of insight that I can't wait to share with you. So right on this channel, you will find amazing and informative content that will gear towards your success and your personal growth. I always say that the best investment that you can make is one that you make into your mind. So join me on this channel as we journey towards your success and towards your personal growth. If you are looking for a place to learn a soft skill or to even master your hard skills, or even stay updated with the current trends of technology in our world today, then this is the right place for you. So hit on the like button, hit on the subscribe button, and hit on the notification bar so that every single video I release, you will be updated. Thank you for watching this video, and always come back to watch more. Thank you. Bye-bye.